I have so much food in my lacrosse bags.
Day one of the trip, of the vlog. We are here at the Utah Valley University. It's probably way too close to my face, but that's alright.
Is it actually recording?
I don't know, is it? Yeah, it is.
Wow.
I did it, man. I figured it out.
Turn it around.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Justin Moore
Going
here.
though.
Alec Banton here. Let's get it.
Crackhead.
You gotta go like this.
What?
Shake it out west. You gotta.
7:30. Boys all got to the airport on time. We are heading to security so we can get to Georgia. Should be good with 2. Thank you. Through security. I gotta find our gate. Guys, look. Got Jacob here.
Oh yeah.
D Midi.
Uh-huh.
Jacob, how old are you?
I'm 18.
Jacob is, like myself, LDS. He's gonna go serve an LDS mission. Where are you going?
He wants to go the Adriatic North mission.
What language are you speaking?
Croatian.
It's pretty crazy. It's a vital part of the team. You'll probably see him in the highlight stuff.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're here live.
No, he means like
SLC.
this. Yo, what's up? So we out here, Dallas, Fort Worth bound. I'm here with my boy, Cade. Cade, you're at a 900% save percentage this year. How's it feel?
We're going for 300 actually, so we got bump. Those are rookie numbers, you know. We gotta bump those up.
Word.
We're so close to it.
Word.
Your
I'm
nose
just
is
trying
in
to know
like the
how
corner
the
of
Strad
the
man
frame.
does it. What's up?
Interview me.
Okay, back to the relevant.
Yeah.
Well,
Let's go.
We're loading on the plane, or boarding. That's the word, boarding the plane.
Loading, shake it.
Braden's back there too.
Well, Braden's loading the plane because he's got.
Hey, John.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just give me an update. Unfortunately, I'm not sure why, but there was a diversion aircraft, a smaller one, their regional jet, that even after us. And for some reason, they fueled him first. It looks like the truck is on its way here.
Told you 45 minutes.
Should be hooking up as soon as we get that fuel. We need about 12,000 pounds
John,
of
do you
fuel.
understand what's going on well enough to explain it?
Minutes or so. We got their flight plan,
Some
everything else
freaking
is,
lightning that
ready
went
to
down
go.
upon them
It's just a
at
matter of
Dallas.
little
planes in Dallas, so they're like,
weather that popped up.
We can't land.
no landing. Yeah, full send.
We get the fuel, we should be
They filled it up enough for 1 mile more than we needed to go. And it did not get really dry.
We were supposed to land in Dallas. Now we're in Wichita Falls getting gas.
Too many words.
Dude, we're finally off the plane.
Still saving the cookie though.
We made it to Dallas. We missed our layover, so we don't know how we're getting to Georgia, but I'm assuming they're gonna find us another plane.
We're driving.
it is what it is.
We're just gonna zoom in on your face, Colin.
The best part of your damn video.
Oh, and there's Dom. 2 good-looking people. There you go. It's currently 6:50. We've been here since like 3:40, 4 o'clock, somewhere in there. Because we were delayed getting here. Our flight going to Georgia, we missed it. So we are supposed to leave at 7:30. So we've all just been sitting here, sleeping, doing homework. Who knows if we're actually gonna make it today? This is Jaden. He's been on the vlog before.
Here we are, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, United States.
Videos so close to your face.
United States of America. Sorry, I'm not very strong. I can't hold it very far. Anyway, we've been here for about 5 hours. Wait, one second.
The cage was hilarious.
What's up, vlog? We're out here in Dallas.
You're gonna say the same thing,
It
Tyson?
is 8:36 p.m. We landed here roughly at 3, so it's been 5.5 hours. Hopefully we'll get out of here soon.
Why are you saying the same thing he said?
Here's CJ.
I don't understand why. 9 o'clock. We were supposed to be in Georgia 3 hours ago?
Yeah, a while ago.
Way a long time ago. Hopefully this is the last plane we have to board and take off from today. Because I really don't want to do this again. We made it to Georgia. Now we're waiting for our vans. Hey, morning 2. We just had breakfast. Now we're going to head to a... What's this called? A walkthrough? A walkthrough. This is Connor. He's our face-off guy. Connor, how old are you?
I just turned 23.
17.
23. Happy birthday.
Tell the people what's your position?
I'm a face-off specialist, which means that I do one thing for about 10 seconds and I get someone that can actually play lacrosse on the field.
Hey, he's pretty good at that one thing, though. All right, well, we'll catch you guys at the field.
Here we are in the Spring Hill Inn Suites.
Try this cookie.
Freaking amazing. When did macadamia nut cookie? Ew.
Oh, sung the wrong next song.
Guys, Marty's hip. Don't even let him lie.
Yes!
John, come on, dude.
We're playing Boy Scouts.
Oh, hell yeah.
Just got to our locker room, gonna get dressed and do a little shoot around before the game. Game time, ready to get dressed.